What's happening, Crypto Crew? This is Kal-El Can Fly with my wife Emily.
Hello.
And we're about to start a new show today, one that was just released today.
Yeah.
Episode 1 of Chainsaw Man. This episode is called Dog and Chainsaw. So this was actually recommended to us by a channel friend, so we're going to jump in. I've heard really good things about it.
Right. I know nothing about it.
Yeah, I mean,
Absolutely
I don't really
nothing.
know anything about the comic or manga or whatever it is derived from, but I've heard that it is very gory and very bloody. So I knew
My
you'd like
kind of
that.
show.
But I was told that this is probably going to be the next big anime.
One? Yeah.
A lot of people are really eager to watch this one.
All right.
So we'll see. We'll see what it's got, and hopefully it's a decent show. And there's only one episode out so far.
Right.
We're gonna jump on this as quickly as possible.
Yes.
And hopefully it's a good one.
Yes.
So, all right, let's jump right in. Please smash a like on this video and subscribe to the channel. We would really appreciate that. Also, keep in mind, if you would like to support the channel, we do have our memberships. You can feel free to hit that join button. Our hero members do get advanced viewing on almost everything that we do record. This episode is probably going to go out first before it goes up on the cloud server, but every other episode after that will be up at least a few days, if not a week, before it goes live on YouTube. Yeah, if you want to help the channel out, please feel free to hit that join button. All right?
All right.
You ready to do this?
I'm ready.
All right, let's do it. Interesting.
Yeah. What was behind that door?
Yeah.
What was behind that door?
His room, maybe?
仕事行くか。
Better head to work. Liking the animation style so far.
I am too. I'm liking it a lot, actually.
Reminds me a little bit
って
of
月収
Attack
6
on
万だ
Titan, like
ろ
the earlier episodes.
この間売った腎臓が120万。右目が30万。
Oh!
What?
金玉片方だっていくらで売れたっけ ?10 万もしなかったんだっけ
Wow.
残りの借金が3804万円。
Oh my god. He's selling his body parts.
Yeah.
落ちた。一番儲かるな。
Oh, what the hell is that? Look at my eyeballs. Oh god, look at them teeth.
Wow.
All right.
Decent way to start.
Selling body parts, huh? Would you sell your nuts for that kind of money?
I probably would, actually. To be fair, I don't know what 100,000 yen works out into in US dollars, so
Yeah, true.
probably like $10.
Ooh. Ooh. That's kind of cool.
That is kind of cool.
Looks like there's vampires or something in here.
I'm not
With
sure.
teeth?
Woo!
What the hell? Ooh. Ooh, nice.
It is made by Mappa, who did Attack on Titan.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yay! I love loving the style.
Probably why it seems
Yeah.
familiar.
I'm liking
こい
it.
つはトマトの赤ざす。
そこから借金と利子引いて17万。さらに
Oh.
仲介手数料と事務手数料、管理調整費、
Jesus!
その他
All
もろもろを
those fees.
抜いて
Wow.
Finder's
残り
fee,
が
admin
7万
fee.
この7万から水道代を払って他んとこに
Oh
して
my
る
gosh.
借金を払うと
Poor guy.
不思議
たら100円やるよ。
マジっすか。いただきます。
What?
あ
Did he eat that cigarette?
また悪魔が出たら呼ぶ。逃げたら豚の餌だ。
Oh.
So you do just about anything for some money.
Right.
Might be 2 slices of bread tonight for dinner.
Right.
これで3日は食えるね。
Wow.
この間聞い
That's
たん
awful
だ
to
けど
have a life
さ
like that.
Yeah.
普通食パンにはジャム塗って俺は死ぬまで女と付き合えねえんだよ
No girlfriend?
こんな
You know, imagine taking a girl back to that place.
デートする金もね死にてえな
Oh my god. You want some nookie?
Yeah.
You want some booty?
Come on, be real. If I took you back to my place and it looked like that, we probably wouldn't be married today.
Nah, probably not.
今月の死体をばらして
Ooh.
Oh!
Basically, you're gonna pay off your father's debts
Or you're gonna die.
Yeah.
I'm gonna chop you up in pieces. That's bullshit. Should give you longer than a day. The money is what I'm confused about. How much is that
Yeah.
to us over here?
So he sold his notes for about 100,000 yen, which is just under $700. I'll do that.
I like playing with your nuts. You don't sell them for 700.
Yeah, but that's $1,400.
I don't
for
care. I like.
both of them.
Your balls. You don't sell them for $700.
Each though, each. The 400,000 that he got for that tomato
腹減
monster.
って眠
Why
れ
is
ね
too hungry
え
to sleep?
寝れねえと借金のこと考えてもっと寝れねえ
Not if you consider he's risking his life, but
決めた
he'd be dead
今日寝
anyway.
たら見る夢食パンにジャム塗ってポチタコ食って
Aww.
女とイチャイチャしたりして一緒に部屋でゲームして抱かれながら眠るんだ
Aww.
いいだろ
Aww.
But spending his life paying off his dad's debts and living in poverty
That's
like
wrong.
this is so crazy.
That's wrong.
Like, what did his dad
That's
do with all
こん
that
なと
money?
こに悪魔出たんすかだったとか
I wonder if his dad borrowed the money to save him from health problems or his mother from the health problems.
Maybe from the heart disease.
Yeah.
Something had to happen for his dad to borrow that kind of
デン
money.
ジよ俺たちはてめえに感謝してんだぜ
はい
犬みてえに従順だし犬みてえに安い報酬で
And you
働
work
い
for
てくれ
cheap
る
like one too.
は
でも俺は犬は臭くて綺麗だ
Oh!
Oh shit!
Oh!
What?
What?
俺たちヤクザもよもっと強くなって稼ぎてえから
What the fuck? Oh!
Zombie devils.
Zombie devils. A devil hunter because devils. Oh. Ew, look at him. And he got stabbed. How's he going to get out of there? How in the world? Look at all them zombies after him.
And he was already sick before he got
Yeah,
stabbed.
he was coughing up blood. How's he going to do this? Oh my god. He needs help. Maybe he has special powers? Or... Oh my god. Oh, that's coming up on him. There he goes. He's going to cut... Oh! Got his back. Oh, he's going to get... Oh! Oh my god! How brutal!
何も金持ちになりたいわけじゃね
Oh!
えただせめて普通の生活がしたいだけなのにんなことも叶えられねえのか
Oh
よ
my
Ooh,
god!
a kid.
What a life! Oh, bless his heart. He's done for now. Oh,
Was that the main character?
I don't know, but I feel bad for him.
他のデビルハンターに殺されるかもしれね
Aww.
So, oh, that's why he's a chainsaw. He's a
え
devil.
悪魔には死んだ人の
He
体
said
を
some
乗
of
っ
the
取れる
devil
やつもい
hunter
る
would
らしい
kill you.
So that little
落ちた
thing
に
is
そ
a
れが
devil?
できるん
It's
だ
a,
ったら
a devil, like one of
Like
the
a
other
demon
devils. Yeah,
落ちたに
devil.
あ
demon,
げてんだ
demon dog.
墓入った後だったらヤクザも追ってこれないだろ
Aww.
の夢を叶えてくれよ
Oh.
Aww.
So he doesn't just kill any.
Right.
What the hell?
What? How's that happening? It's like his body. Oh! You brought him back?
どういうこと？バラバラにしても生きてんの？なんで？キモ？やっぱ僕デビルハンター嫌い。
Oh,
みんな、
Eat
そいつ食べちゃって。
Eat him!
oh.
Oh, here they come!
なんでこいつらは十分恵まれてんのにもっといい生活を望んだ
Oh! What?
さすがに食い殺しは死ぬだろう。
They're trying to kill him.
Yeah, you can hear the rumbling though.
Yeah.
I don't think that's his blood. Or it might be
No.
from before.
Right. Oh, you hear the chainsaw.
It's revving up.
Yeah. Oh! Oh! Look at his face, his arm! Oh! Oh my god! Oh! Look at that! That means you're one of us. He's gonna kill you! Oh! Oh, wow! Look how brutal! Oh! He's gone crazy!
Oh, love it.
Get him! Get him!
Damn.
Oh! Oh my god! Look at me slicing them! It hurts. I bet it does.
I hope so.
Yeah. Oh! Oh, here he comes.
Don't
Don't
come
come
near me.
Yeah. Oh! Oh, right in the head.
Oh, love it.
Oh my god, he's just going through him.
Get him.
Get him! Get him! Oh! Oh, there he goes!
Take out his other eye.
There he goes! Yeah! Get him! Oh!
Wow. Ooh.
Ew! Look at all that! He sliced right through him! Look at that motherfucker.
ぶっ殺さねえと
Oh! Woo! Woo! Yeah!
I love the headbutts. Like,
Yes!
そっかてめえら全員
Oh! They just keep coming for more though!
with the zombies.
Yeah, I know! They can't hold themselves. He's killing every single one of them! Blood all over the place! Massacre!
That got my heart racing.
Heck yeah! My nipples got hard there for a minute. I got excited. Oh!
君がやったの？
Yes, he did.
だかす
Oh! Hug me. Oh! How sweet was that? She didn't even know him.
Mm-mm.
He said, hug me. He's back to
So
his
he
human
can change
form.
back.
He
人
can.
だ。人として私に飼われるか。飼うならちゃんと餌はあげるよ。
Aww. He always wanted a girl, remember?
Good.
A girl.
餌って 朝飯はどん
What's
な
for
What's for
breakfast?
breakfast? He's hungry.
食パンに
Bread
バ
and
ター
butter
と
and
ジャム
jam.
が
Salad and coffee.
Salad
Salad and
コー
coffee's
ヒー
extra.
あとデザート
Oh.
かな。
He's probably not had dessert in a long time.
Yeah, or anything extra.
Yeah.
最高じゃないっすか。
Aww. That was awesome. That was great.
Yeah.
That was an awesome episode.
All right.
Yeah.
Chainsaw Man.
Yes.
That was a great first episode.
That was. It kept you going.
Yeah.
I was so excited. My
Yeah.
heart started racing.
How did you feel about the subtitles?
It wasn't bad.
Wasn't bad. I think we're starting to get used to them.
Yeah, it wasn't bad.
And a show like
okay.
this isn't as intricate in the visual details, or at least this episode wasn't. So it was kind of easy to follow.
Right.
But being newbies,
Right.
we're trying
Yeah,
to get used to it.
It
But
wasn't bad at all.
the
get
visuals
there.
in this show were fantastic.
Yes, I agree.
Oh my
Yes.
god.
It was, yeah. I loved it. It reminded me so much of Attack on Titan.
Yeah.
Like, the anime. You know, like, I loved it.
Yeah. I mean,
Yeah.
it definitely has that feel.
I like it a lot.
That kind of look to it for
Yes.
sure.
Yes.
But as a character, he seems
He's very unique.
he's really interesting, very unique.
Yeah.
When he changed like that, I
that
mean
was
that
awesome. Like, he kicked ass. Like, there was no stopping him.
yeah, and
So-
immediately you feel sorry for him.
Right.
And the little chainsaw devil dog was cute.
It was cute. It was his buddy.
I don't know if
Best
the
friends.
dog's gonna be able to come back, or
I think the dog's inside of him.
I think the dog gave up his life, maybe.
Gave his
to-
heart and his,
Yeah.
everything to him. Because he loved him.
Yeah, and he
Aw.
fed him, and he
He did.
Just like normal,
He shared
you know.
everything.
normal animals, like you
Yes.
provide for them, and they give you so much back in
They
return.
do.
And if it almost feels like that relationship that he
Yeah,
had.
exactly.
So yeah, I mean, it's just the show first episode. I
Great.
mean, 10 out of 10 for me.
10 out of 10 for sure for me. I mean, it
Um,
kept me going. I cannot wait to watch the next. And there is no next to go to.
Right.
So,
I don't know if this is probably going to be a weekly show,
yeah,
I
it's gonna
think,
suck.
which kind of sucks. But
Yeah.
I don't know how many episodes they're going to be, whether
Right.
it'll be 8, 10, or more
Right.
episodes. But we're here for it.
Yes.
We are definitely here
Yes.
for this show. And
Yes.
the hype surrounding this show that I've heard about.
Oh, I understand why.
Yes.
Bring on episode 2. I'm ready for it.
Right.
Bring it on.
Super excited
Ready.
for episode 2. So come with us on this journey. Let us know what you guys thought of this episode in the comments down below. Special like on this video and subscribe to the channel. We would really appreciate that. And we'll catch you all in episode 2.
Crypto Crew.